Five little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back.
Oh no!
Four little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back.
Cement mixer.
Three little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away.
Oh no!
Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back.
Hello? Hello?
Two little ducks went swimming one day over the hill and far away.
Racing car.
Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back.
Tank.
Hey, baby.
Five little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Disney car.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were four little speckled frogs. Four little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Garbage truck.
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were three little speckled frogs. Three little speckled frogs sat on a speckled
Fire
log,
truck.
eating the most delicious bugs. One jumped into the pool where it was nice
Hey,
and
baby.
cool. Then there were two wee speckled frogs. Two little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was one wee speckled frog.